Donald Trump isn't pleased with how the jury selection process is going for his New York hush money trial. The embattled ex-prez took to Truth Social on Wednesday, April 17, to rant about his legal team's limited abilities to remove potential jurors from consideration. "I thought strikes were supposed to be unlimited when we were picking our jury," he wrote. "I was then told we only had 10, not nearly enough when we were purposely given the second worst venue in the country. Don't worry, we have the first worst also, as the witch hunt continues," he added. Election interference? However, according to the New York Criminal Justice System Handbook, these strikes are limited based on the charges. At the beginning of your trial, a large number of people, jury panel, will enter the courtroom. The court clerk will call out the names of these people who sit in the jury box, the handbook explains. Each is questioned by the judge, prosecutor, and your lawyer about whether he or she can be a fair and impartial juror in your case. If any juror expresses bias or a belief that he or she cannot be fair, that person will be challenged for cause and will not sit as a juror in your trial, the handbook excerpt continues. In addition, the prosecutor and you, through your lawyer, may object to having certain of these people sit on the jury even though the person has not expressed any bias or doubt as to his or her ability to be fair. This is called a peremptory challenge. The number of peremptory challenges each side has depends on the class of offense with which you are charged. Jurors may not be challenged based on their race, religion, ethnicity, gender, or sexual orientation. As OK previously reported, a grand jury voted to indict Trump on 34 felony counts of falsifying business documents related to a hush money payment made to Stormy Daniels on the eve of the 2016 presidential election. The funds were given to the adult film star to keep her from publicly speaking out about an alleged sexual encounter that Daniels claims occurred between them in 2006 after meeting at a golf tournament. Trump pleaded not guilty to all charges. The controversial politician has since repeatedly insisted the case is an attempt by the Biden administration, Judge Juan Merchan, and Democrats to interfere with his campaign for the 2024 election. "The New York system of justice is being decimated by critics from all over the world," he penned on social media earlier this week. Election interference? Rigged, unconstitutional trial. Take off the gag order,